Presented as a cycle of 12 links, the principle of dependent arising throws light on our past, present, and future. The 8 intervening links relate to the present existence. Thus, this doctrine reveals the interdependence of past, present, and future lives. The 12 links are also presented in terms of the 3 paths of defilement, karma, and suffering. The first, 8th, and 9th links, ignorance, craving, and grasping, are related to the defilements. The 2nd and 10th links, conditioning factors and becoming, are related to karma. The remaining links, in other words, the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 11th, and 12th, consciousness, name and form, sense powers, contact, feeling, birth, and aging and death, are related to suffering. Thus, 3 links form the path of defilements, 2 links form the path of karma, and 7 links account for the path of suffering.